everyone, this is Team Cosmic Snowball and I am Sriya. In this video, I'm going to show demo of my project which is inventory heatmap and stock out alerts for essential goods. So let's get started. In rural hospitals and disaster camps, critical medicines often run out because supply data is trapped in paper logs. Today, we present the inventory heat map and stock up alert system, a Snowflake native app that solves the last mile visibility gap. So, here we have a real time inventory heat map. It instantly visualizes stock health across all locations. You can immediately see that Central Hospital is in the red zone, paracetamol. This means they have less than 2 days of stock left. This predictive alert allows teams to act before a crisis happens. But how do we get this data? Field staff often work offline. With our field upload feature, they can simply upload a daily CSV log directly into the app. We use Snowpark Python to securely ingest this data and write it back to the Snowflake database instantly. The power behind this Snowflake dynamic tables. We don't need complex external ETL tools. This dynamic table automatically processes the raw logs, calculates the days left based on daily usage, and refreshes our dashboard metrics with a 1 minute lag. It is completely automated data pipeline. Finally, to close the loop, the system generates a priority order list. Officers can download this action plan with one click. So we are using AI and data to ensure life-saving medicines are always in the right place at the right time. Thank you.